Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the preparatory codes and the miscellaneous codes. Simply we can call it G codes and M codes. Okay guys, G codes are geometrical codes of CNC machine and M codes are the miscellaneous codes of CNC or VNC machine. Okay guys, so guys, as we all of know, G codes actually take part in cutting or giving feed rate to the tool or machine bed. It actually works in geometrical operation, whereas the M code works where the machine other aspects such as coolant on, spindle rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, so we are going to learn these codes today. Our first code is G00. Okay, preparatory codes. Today we are going to learn all preparatory codes. First code is G00. What is meant by G00? G00 means rapid positioning. Now what is rapid positioning? You can watch in this video what is rapid positioning actually is. Guys, whenever we have to cut the material, whenever we have to bring cutter near to the our workpiece, at that time we give feed rate in G00. Means what? The non-cutting movement. G00 means rapid positioning. Means whenever we set our job, look, this is our job and this is cutter which is attached at its home position. Okay, so now our cutter have to travel this distance. If we travel this distance in a feet, then the machining time will be increased. So to reduce the machining time, we have to use G00, means rapid positioning. The cutter will become near closer to the job in rapid. Okay, like this. So it will become up to the job in rapid positioning as fast as possible. Okay, that is G00. Second one is G01. G01. This is linear interpolation. Linear interpolation. This means if we have to cut the OD of this job with giving some amount of feed rate, so at that time we can use G01, means linear interpolation. It will cut linearly to the workpiece. Okay guys, and third one is G02. Third one is G02. This is circular interpolation. Circular interpolation. Circular interpolation clockwise. Clockwise means it cut the job in clockwise direction. Okay. Whenever we have to do circular machining in clockwise direction, at that time if we give command G02, then it will be informed to the machine to work in circular motion from its current position to the new coordinate. Okay, in circular direction. Okay guys, like this, like this. Our next code is G03. G03. This is circular interpolation counterclockwise, means anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay. G03 code suggests machine to cut the material in anti-clockwise direction from its origin point to the given new coordinate. Okay, that is G03. And fifth one is G04. G04. This is dual. Dual. What is dual? Dual means pause for some seconds. Sometimes we perform drilling operation. At that during the drilling operation, sometimes chip wound around our drill. So to give some time to remove the chips from the OD of the drill, we have to give dwell, and we can give dwell to the machine in the format of G04. This is example G04 P 1000. This P means millisecond, milliseconds, and 1000 millisecond means 1 second. 1 second. Okay. G04 P1000. If you input G04 P1000, then machine will take this command as G04 means pause for 1000 millisecond means machine will pause for 1 second. Okay. You can also use G04 X1. Here is X1 means 1 second, or G04 U1. Here U1 means 1 second. But naturally, the many people use G04 P1000 or 2000 as per their convenience. Okay, guys. That means G04 means what? Dual. Okay. Our sixth code is G15. G15 means polar coordinate off. What is mean by polar coordinate? If you want to do drilling operation in circular motion, in this circular on a PCD, if you want to do any operation of drilling, tapping, then we use G16. What we use? We use G16. It is polar coordinate on. Polar coordinates on, and this means polar coordinate off. Polar coordinate off. Okay. If we switch to G16, it activates the polar coordinate on, and in this system X will be the distance which have to travel, and Y will be the angle, and this will be the radius of job. Okay. This is G16, and G15 will be cancel the polar coordinate system. Okay. After that, number 8, G17. G17 means XY plane selection. Guys, G17 means XY plane selection. What is XY plane selection? XY plane selection means whenever we have to do circular interpolation, and at that time we use G17 codes. It remains by default activated, but for your information I am going to suggest you we have to activate G17 whenever we have to done circular interpolation from the plane. At that time G17 will activate XY axis plane selection. Okay, like this. G18 means XZ plane selection. In this you can watch in the picture what is the XZ plane selection. If you want to do a circular interpolation in X and Z axis from the plane, at that time you have to activate G18 code, otherwise it will be not applicable. You have to activate manually this code. This is not activated by default. You have to activate this G18. After that you can do interpolation in X and Z axis. Okay. And our next is G19. Number 10. G19 means YZ plane selection. Guys, when you have to do circular interpolation from the top or from the plane in Y and Z axis as shown in the picture, at that time you have to activate G19 code. This is not activated by defaultly. You have to activate it manually when you have to do circular interpolation in Y and Z axis. Okay. Now 11 number. Now G20. What is G20? G20 means command in inches, work command in inches. Okay. machining in inches, machining in inches, and G21 means machining in mm, machining in mm. Okay guys, I hope you understand the function of G codes and its work and how to use these codes. I think I explained very well in this video, and the remaining codes I will explain you in next video. If you like the video, then please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.